morning, children. So we have completed 4 chapters now. Now we are going to the new chapter, 5th chapter, fractions and decimals. What is the 5th chapter name? Fractions and decimals. So already we learned fractions in the previous class. Okay? In the previous class we learned about fractions or not? So what is called a fraction, children? It is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. And also we learned the fraction means what are the numbers in the fraction. Suppose see 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 is called numerator, 2 is called denominator. And this line is called vinculum. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator, and this line is called vinculum. So this 1 by 2 is called a fraction. Fraction means it is a part of a whole. It is a part of a whole. Now take your CW zoology, put the heading fractions and decimals. Put the heading fractions and decimals. Put the heading fractions and decimals, children. Fractions and decimals. Put the heading fraction, side heading, put the heading fraction. Keep today's date also. A fraction is a number representing a part of the whole. A part of the whole. A fraction is a number representing a part of the whole. The whole may be a single object. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Or a group of objects. So what is called a fraction? It is a number representing a part of the whole. The whole maybe it is a single digit, a single object, or it is a group of objects. Okay. The fraction 3 by 5 represents 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. See here the fraction 3 by 5. It represents 3 out of 5. So in the fraction 3 by 5, 3 is called here. 3 is called, what is 3 is called? Numerator. 3 is called the numerator. 5 is called the denominator. Okay, ma? Come and write. Okay, children. Next, types of fractions. So, what is the first type of fraction, children? Proper fraction. What is called proper fraction? What is called proper fraction? A fraction with the numerator is always less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Okay, write down. Types of fractions. Keep the heading types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. fraction that is whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Is called a proper fraction. So what are the examples? 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 11, like that. Okay. See here, numerator is always less than the denominator. So these fractions are called proper fractions. So all proper fractions are less than 1. All are less than 1. Right. Next, what is the next type of fraction? Improper. So what is called improper fraction, children? Yes, a fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is equal or more to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Is called an improper fraction. Tell me examples. 5 by 3, 7 by 5, 11 by 6. Okay, anyone. So here see, observe. Numerator it is greater than the denominator. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. Now write all improper fractions. All improper fractions are greater than or equal to 1. All improper fractions are greater than 1 or equal to 1. What is the next type of fraction now? Mixed fraction. What is called mixed fraction now? It is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Right, mixed fraction. It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Tell me examples. 1 by 5, 2 3 by 6. Okay. So these are the mixed fractions. One whole number, another one is proper fraction. It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay. Right. Okay, those who have completed mixed fraction, write the example 1 now. Represent 11 by 5 as a mixed fraction. So you have to represent 11 by 5 as a mixed fraction. So what is given? Given 11 by 5. Now 11 by 5, which type of fraction is that? Which type of fraction is that? Yes, 11 is numerator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So which type of fraction it is? Improper fraction. Which type of fraction? Improper fraction. Now you have to convert into mixed fraction. How to convert? So first you have to convert this pictorially. Okay. So here denominator. What is the denominator here? Denominator is 5. So you should take one picture and divide into 5 parts. Okay. So I draw one rectangle, and this rectangle I divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But here numerator is 11 is there now. How can you draw? Again draw another box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total part how many? 5 plus 1? 10 parts will get. But here 11 is there now. Again draw another box. Okay, ma'am. You can draw another box. Same box you can draw. Divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now numerator is 11 now. So you have to shade it 11 parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now what do you observe? Here this full rectangle will be colored, and this rectangle also will be full colored, and this rectangle only one part will be colored. So this is whole part will be colored. So what is this? 1. Whole part will be colored now. So this is totally 1. And this one also total parts are colored. So it was this one also whole part is 1. And here we had colored only one part. So 1 divided by how many parts? Total parts 5. So 1 is colored and total parts how many? 5. Now you can add all this. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 2 plus 1 by 5 means 1 by 5. Did you understand? So therefore 2 1 by 5. So therefore 11 by 5 can be written as 2 1 by 5. It is a mixed fraction. Did you understand, children? How to convert? Okay. Otherwise this is pictorial I draw. Otherwise you can, how can you do? How can you represent as mixed fraction? You can divide. Normally you can divide. 5 2s 10. 11 minus 1 how much? 1 is the remainder. Okay. So now 11 by 5 can be written as, first write as the quotient. What is the quotient here? 2. Write 2. And what is the remainder? 1. So remainder 1 can be written as numerator. And what is the divisor? 5. You can write as a denominator. Did you understand? How can you divide this one? 11 right here and 5 here. 5 2 is 10. 11 minus 10, 1 is the remainder. So 2 is the quotient now. So first write quotient as a whole number. And remainder, that one you should write as a numerator. And divisor you should write as a denominator. So 2 1 by 5. Did you understand? This is pictorially and this is normally division. Did you understand now? How can you convert improper